Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll discuss outsourcing programming and how it can completely transform enterprises. Programming outsourcing provides access to a worldwide workforce and can result in significant cost savings. Employing external experts allows businesses to access specialized skills and modern technology while reducing expenses on management and recruitment costs. What differentiates offshoring from outsourcing then? Offshoring is transferring work to another country, and outsourcing entails recruiting outside teams anywhere they might be. According to Statista, the global market for app development outsourcing is expected to reach $124.07 billion by 2029. This significant rise shows how important this strategy has become. But why outsource programming projects? For starters, it's cost-efficient, provides access to global expertise, and allows you to focus on core business activities. Plus, it can speed up your time to market with faster project completion. To successfully outsource, establish clear objectives, select a compatible partner, and maintain open communication channels between partners. Utilize efficient project management and ensure quality control to adhere to the schedule. There are difficulties, including poor quality control and communication hurdles. However, issues can be effectively addressed with proper planning and strong management. VisionX provides multiple outsourcing options. You can choose one that suits your needs. We provide creative solutions that help businesses reach their technology objectives. Please speak with us to find out how we might improve your upcoming project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.